Hi everyone, I hope you're okay and I hope that the videos will keep uploading or helping you out. On this video guys, I'll be tackling the second question from King David Secondary School. This is a preliminary examination guys, which was written in the year of 2023. Please do expect a total number of 12 videos since the question paper had 12 questions in total. That simply means each and every question will have its own video. And please guys, do take this seriously. I strongly believe that knowing how to tackle exam questions will give you an edge whenever you write your final examination. So please do share the video to your peers so that they may have the same edge as you. Okay, supposed to solve x, né? If ever guys, if ever you have log of a number plus log of a number, this thing can be written as the log of c multiplied by x base b. If you're adding two logarithms that have the same base, you can simply make them into one logarithm by just multiplying the indexes. So that's the very same thing I'll do over there. I'll end up having the log of 2x multiplied by x plus 1. That's equal to 1. For me to remove the log, the 2 will be the base on the other side. Né? I'll be left with x plus 1 is just equal to 2 to the power 1. This one over here will now become an exponent. And then I can just remove my brackets. I'll have x squared plus x is equal to 2. Then x squared plus x is equal to x squared plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. And then I'll have x, 2 and 1 plus and minus. Then x is equal to a negative 2 or x is equal to positive 1. This one guys is not applicable. How do I know it's not applicable? Because whenever I substitute negative 2 over here, the left hand side will simply be undefined. Are you together? But if I substitute 1 on the equation, I'll find that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Okay, I'm supposed to write down the domain of f of x. If f of x is equal to the square root of 2x plus 1, the domain of f of x. So f of x, guys, will be real according to x if and only if whatever that is inside the bracket, is greater or equal to 0. Not inside the bracket rather, but inside the square root is greater or equal to 0. Therefore, 2x is just greater or equal to negative 1, and x is greater or equal to a negative half. So this is my domain. I can leave it like this, or I can say x is an element of negative half to infinity. Okay, and then if g of x is equal to 2x minus 1, solve x if f of x and g of x are equal. If f of x is equal to g of x, I'll simply have 2x plus 1, the square root of 2x plus 1 being equal to 2x minus 1. I can square both sides, guys, to remove the sets, because the first thing I need to do whenever I'm solving x, I must remove sets if I have them, remove brackets if you have them, remove fractions if you have them, né? And then make sure that your equation is in standard form, factorize, and then solve x. Over here, whenever I square both sides, on the left hand side I'll be left with 2x plus 1. On the right hand side I'll have 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. Then I should make sure that everything is in standard form. I'll take these to the other side. I'll end up having 4x squared minus 6x is equal to 0, because 1 minus 1 will be equal to 0. I can divide both sides by 2, rather each and every term by 2. I'll end up having 2x squared minus 3x is equal to 0. The common factor is x. Whenever I take out the common factor, I'll be left with 2x minus 3. Né? So now I have two things multiplied and the answer is 0. That simply means the first one is 0 or the second one is 0. And then over here, I'll have 2x being equal to 3. Then x is just equal to 3 over 2. Are you together? So this one, guys, is not applicable because whenever I substitute on the original equation that says the square root of 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 1, I will find that the left hand side is not equal to the right hand side. So that's why x is equal to 0 is not applicable, but x is equal to 3 over 2 is the only solution. So that's the only solution I have. Okay, and then now I'm given f of x. Firstly, they want me to find I'm supposed to match column A and B, né? I don't want to guess these things, guys. Firstly, let's find the inverse. How do we find the inverse? We must just interchange both x and y, né? Inverse, that means the graph is reflected on the line y is equal to x. You interchange both x and y, you'll end up having x is equal to 2y plus 8. That means you have x minus 8 is equal to 2y. If you divide both sides by 2, we'll have 1 over 2x minus 4 is equal to y. So therefore, the inverse of x is just 1 over 2x minus 4. So I have 1 over 2x there as 4. Ne? So 1 corresponds with E. Number 1 goes hand in hand with E. Ne? Okay. And then now I'm supposed to find f of 1 over x. F of 1 over x, that means whenever I come across x, I need to substitute 1 over x. So this will be 2 multiplied by 1 over x plus 8. That's basically 2 over x plus 8. Ne? I do have 2 over x plus 8. That's on number C. So number 2 goes hand in hand with number C. For number 3 is just 1 over f of x. How can I find 1 over f of x? 1 over f of x is basically 1 all over 2x plus 8. That's A. So number 3 is matching with A. And then number 4 is f of negative x. F of negative x. F of negative x, that simply means whenever I come across x, I just need to substitute negative x. So I'll end up having negative 2x plus 8. Negative 2x plus 8 is there by D. So number 4 corresponds with D. That means number 5 will correspond with B. But let's prove it. They want us to find that, for number 5, they want us to find the derivative, right? Derivative is basically 2x, did I say 2x? The derivative is just equal to 2, right? Because over here, 8 will just give me 0. If I derive this guy over there, it will just give me 2, which can also be written as 2 times x to the power 0. Are you together? How did you get 2 times x to the power 0? Because whenever I find my derivative, I'll take the exponent, which is 1 multiplied by 2, I'll get a 2, and then I must subtract 1 from the exponent. Then the answer is just 2 times x to the power 0, and then that's just equal to 2. So B is the one that corresponds with number 5. Yeah, so that's how, guys, we're supposed to tackle this question over there. So please, guys, do stay tuned and wait for more videos. Thank you for your time.